Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your favorite photos into videos. So if you went on a vacation or you simply have any photo that you like and you want to turn those photos into meaningful videos, you can easily do that with Grok. So to do that, on the left hand side, click on Imagine and go ahead and click on the attachment icon here. That's going to allow you to upload a photo. I'm going to click on upload and I'm going to just simply you find a photo here on my computer. I'm going to find something that I have. So let's say I'm going to take this picture of myself. Actually, I'm going to put this picture of myself and I'm going to upload it. And you can see right here that if I once the image uploads, it's going to automatically start generate a video for me. I could also put a prompt for it as well. So let's just see what it generates automatically, right? But if you see, well, you will see that it's going to create a video, but I could also put a prompt here and to make it meaningful, right? So I'm going to change the prompt a bit after the video finish creating, but I want to see what the AI does. Now look at that. Wow, that's really cool, right? You can see that it creates a really cool video. But anyways, I'm going to add a prompt. So what I'm going to say that I'm going to say, take the water glass. So simple as that. There's a water glass on the table and I'm going to just say, take the water glass and drink from it, right? And let's just see what the AI is going to do. I'm going to see how accurate this is as well. I could also say laugh and cover my face or laugh and cover my mouth or get up and walk away from the table or whatever it is, guys. But let's have a look and see what it's going to generate. I think that like with any AI tool, you can always customize the prompt to say whatever. Look at that. Oh my God, that is super, super, super cool and crazy. That is super, super cool. It is really cool, guys, that I will literally have to show this to my wife to say, have a look at that, because she would go crazy to wonder what is this that this AI tool just did. It is really cool, right? I'm super fascinated. But guys, there you have it. How easy it is to use Grok AI to convert your favorite photos into meaningful videos.